Okay, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. We are from Medgate today and we have a few questions for you. Ma'am, according to you, what skills should women focus on to thrive in future workforce?
Any skill, we traditionally go for beauty parlors, tailoring, you mean at the lower level, and other things like that. But today, even if you know how to drive a scooty, you can be the last mile linkage with all these companies, online companies who serve. There are so many women who can be firefighters, who can make tiles. I am doing in Vicky Ladies organization, I'm doing skilling in making tiles because the first time women are going to come in this. So there is nothing which is not a skill which they cannot do. So anything they get into, what is their passion, go for it.
And ma'am, what role education plays in empowering women globally?
Education gives you the self confidence. It also opens a lot of avenues more for you. But it's not that if you're not educated for some reason that you cannot work or you cannot come in the workforce. But yes, that's an added advantage.
And ma'am, how can we support women in building each other to overcome social barriers?
Social progress is very important. So, social progress, economic progress, and political progress all are hand in hand. Today, our Honorable Prime Minister had announced 2 years back that 33% reservation for women. So, if you have more women in the political sphere, you are going to have more good policies because women understand women. And if there are good policies, there will be good social progress. Like I said, they go hand in hand. And if you are economically empowered, you will be socially empowered. They said ना, पैसा हाथ में होता है ना तो इज्जत भी आती है, सब कुछ आता है.
So, ma'am, how can we encourage young girls to pursue in different careers in today's world?
So I'm planning in my Vicky Ladies organization to do a linkage with academia and the government and industry. So we are going to talk to them about things they need to know, like about posh sexual harassment in workplaces, about what are the get people from the industry to talk to them, or what are the opportunities waiting for them, and what should they do to get these opportunities. We want to talk with the government and how, because there are so many schemes by the government these days that we should know about them and educate the girls that this is there for you. Go ahead, take advantage of them.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for it.